Hello traders, ODK here once again. The markets are a bit mixed, although we are higher now. We spent most of the day in the red. Jumping right into it, I thought that, with the momentum we had coming into from yesterday, and I thought, we had consolidated enough after hours, but it seems as if the market felt differently, and that happened. The market consolidated for most of today, although it does look as if we can go higher. I will say that if we don't cross the 1094 mark, the previous high from earlier today, that will be a double top, and swinging high lower than that will put us in the worries of a double. A lower low, a lower high, which would, not necessarily be bearish, but it wouldn't be as bullish as I am the market. So, just keeping that in mind. Going into the close, I'm thinking that we could go ahead and, continue this rally higher. We may, test these EMAs one more time, although we only have 30 minutes. I think we'll probably just end up closing within a range of 1093 to this lower price level, just continuing the consolidation for the day. That is also possible, but what I think is not, and it's not that probable, is the downside move that everybody has been expecting. I think we may just consolidate, go sideways some more after hours, and maybe we'll get that pop I was looking for today. We may get that tomorrow. Anyway, enough of the S&P. Going into the dollar. The dollar has stolen off nicely. We were up here holding 75.20, 0.20 for support. We've broken that, and now we're down here back at the bottom trend line. I am still looking for a break below this level to get back in this, for the dollar to decline some more, making equities go higher. The VIX, it went for the most part sideways, corroborating with what happened today. It rallied in the in the AM, in the morning, and then it sold off. It's selling off as we speak now. So it's just one big sideways move. That's not too uncommon with the price action that we had today, being that we just went sideways. What I don't want the VIX to do is to start taking away these EMAs, which would give it support should it start rising if they were to break them. I'd like for it to fail, making a descending triangle along this 2278 line right here, and that would be more bullish for the broad markets. As far as the equities that I'm in, I'm 100% bullish on Apple, Google, and Baidu. Apple, it is, not just at the highs of the day, but it is still rising nicely. I am pretty much pleased with this position, and I think I'll be going long into tomorrow with it, being that the MACD looks as if we should get a bullish tick to the north side on the hourly, and the daily as well is still bullish, as we've just crossed the zero line, and we should start taking away some of these resistances that we put in the past. At least, if we don't close over them, we should at least break them so that I could get some nice trades going into tomorrow. Looking at Baidu as well is still looking bullish. We have a hammer right here showing that they tried to sell off earlier in the day, could not sustain it, and now we're on our highs. If you zoom in and look at the 5 minute, we are on our highs right now, and we're sustaining that up move, that up leg. So I remain bullish on Baidu as well, and Google is my greatest regret because it's just been going higher and higher, and this is the line that I would be selling it at. If I didn't mess up my trade, yesterday when I got into Baidu, I should have held Google and maybe gotten a Baidu today after selling Google, like right about now. But I didn't, so you just have to learn to live with regrets. But yeah, Google is a nice trade right now. Taken out of the after hours pre-market data, you can see that it is holding up nicely. I would like for it to consolidate after a move like this, after gapping up, rallying, going sideways and rallying today. I would like to get some, at least test some of these EMAs and see if like we're really, supposed to be up here, But that's what I see. That's what I'm trading. A lot going on in the chats today with the Bulls and the Bears fighting. I kind of put in a bit saying that I had to put my money where my mouth is, saying that we would go ahead and go to what was it, 1020 on the E-mini futures, 1120. I'm sorry. And likewise, we bet 100 FTV dollars that he would see 1060. So yeah, I guess that would be a nice trading range to keep us in, 1120 and 1060. But shout out to all the Bears and the Bulls and FTV. I enjoy having fun with y'all. Gives the markets can be a bit boring, especially on a sideways day like today, watching paint dry. So it was a little fun just to have a friendly bit. But anyway, trade well, trade smart, trade on ODK.